This is a tutorial on Windows Movie Maker. So the first thing that we need to do is we need to download the videos that were supplied to us. So you're going to go into the video link, click on the videos to download. You'll hit download, hit save. Make sure you know where they are being saved. Video folder is probably the best place. Okay, it's downloaded. You'll have to do that for each video. Now we're going to import them into Movie Maker. So you're going to hit import videos. You're going to select the videos that you want imported. For this project, you have the 14 clips that are called Math Movie 1 through 14, so make sure you import all of those. You can import them all at once by hitting Control and clicking on them. And just hit import. Now they'll be importing. Now you're going to have to edit this video because you know you're only using 60 to 90 seconds worth of video footage, and there's a lot more of that here. So you have to go through, select what you want out of this for your particular story, commercial, or wrap. So let's just say we wanted to use this video. Okay, you can always play them to see what you want. I see parallel lines here. So let's say I want to use that one. I'm going to import it here. And I'm going to play it just to see what I want to use. Okay, so I want to use it right up to that part where it's getting zoomed in. So I'm going to edit it. To edit it, you're going to see those red arrows where it says click and drag to trim the clip. I'm going to back this up until the part that I want. I want to take this part out. So till about right here. Let go, and it's edited. So I just made the clips shorter. So right now the only thing I wanted to focus on were the parallel lines, and that's all this clip is focusing on. So you can do that for, go through all your video clips, find out a piece you want to use, and trim them, place them in here. You see the seconds up here, it tells you how long your video is. So far this video is only 4 seconds, so you have a lot more video clips to add in. You could use the same video clip that you used. If you wanted to use something later on in it, you can use different ones, whatever you would like. The next thing I'm going to show you is how to put in a title. So let's say that before this clip you wanted to write that the person viewing it would be seeing parallel lines. So if you wanted to do it before the clip, you hit title and hit title before the selected clip. You can say parallel lines in the street. You can change your text and your color and your font over here. You can play around with that. Hit add title. Now you have a title before. So you can notice that actually makes your video longer, so you want to be careful when you're adding these titles. You can also trim it the same way you do the video. Okay, so let's just hit play so you can see what that looks like. So it says parallel lines in the street, and now obviously we see parallel lines in the street. If you wanted to put that video clip on top of your clip, you can just place the green line wherever you want that to happen. You can hit title and credits again, if it lets me. Okay, hit title on the selected clip, and you could just write parallel lines. Hit add title. Okay, and if you hit play, you'll see that it will come on the video if you'd rather have it that way. So that's how you can put titles either before the clip or on the clip. You can decide which one you want to do. Okay, so another thing that you could do in this is transitions. So let's say that you have this clip. I'm just going to add one more clip just so I can show you. So let's say between these two clips you wanted to transition it. So you can hit transitions. There's lots of different ways that you can transition into your next clip. Select which one you want. I'll do the star so you could just see. Okay, hit play. That's what it looks like. Okay, so let's say I'm going to double click. I'm going to put it here and hit play. And you can see that the star will go on to transition to your next clip. So you can play around in transitions. The next thing we're going to talk about is an effect. So let's say that you wanted to, on your clip, you wanted to make it black and white. Let's say for this clip you wanted this black and white. You can hit grayscale. You can just put it over the clip that you want. You can hit play, and now your video is black and white. So you can play around with these also. Okay, you're going to have to narrate your video. So what you're going to have to do, you need to have a microphone plugged into your computer, where it says over here, it says audio music. That's going to be for your music. Also, it's going to be for your narration. So you want to go to Tools, Narrate Timeline. Okay, and here you, the video will play, and you can just speak over it. So let's just say I wanted to talk about those intersecting lines. I could hit start narration. There's intersecting lines. There is a rectangle. I see parallel lines in the street, etc. Stop your narration. You're going to have to save it, so you can save it as whatever you would like. I'm just going to save it as Jill. And now you right here, you see where it says audio music, your narration's there. So if you played that clip, I'm going to go back. Okay, so if I go back in here, you'll see the audio is there. Your audio should be there. If it's up here, you could just drag it in. So I want to put it right here. Drag it wherever you want it to go. Okay. So you can use the narration. Your narration is going to be over here. You could just add in where you want it. You should be narrating this entire video. Okay, one of the last things we're going to talk about is importing a sound. So we're going to be using a website to get all your sounds. You're going to have to select something, download it. This is the website you should be using. Let's say that I just wanted to use something from here. Okay, let's download one of them. Okay, so we're downloading the file. Okay, so once you have your file downloaded, you should know where you're saving it again. You can import your audio, so you just go to audio or music. You do it the same way as your video, so we'll just select this because we're not going to wait for that to download. Import. That's there, and you can place this wherever you want. So I'll just put this here for now. Okay. Same way as the video. You can trim it also. You can you can place it again and again, whatever you want. Okay. One of the last things you're going to have to do is credits. So the same idea as the title. You're going to go titles and credits at the end. You're going to have to give credit to your video, your music, etc. So you type in what you need to type in here. So just say that music website that we got it from. And now you gave credit to the music. So then you could just add the title. Obviously, you put more in there, but then you'll have credits at the end. So you could see credits will come up. The last thing you have to do is publish your movie. So you hit publish movie. Once you're all finished, it'll convert it to a WMV file, so you can put whatever name you want it. You hit next, and then you're going to hit publish. And that's it. So good luck creating your video.